This question says 2 water jets are ejected from tank pipes A and B. Which jet will reach farther? Is it pipe A, which sits towards the top of tank A, pipe B, which sits towards the bottom of tank B, or, if equal, then mark C. So the jet that will reach farther will come from the pipe that's under the greatest pressure. And that pressure, which is called the hydrostatic pressure, is equal to rho, or the density of the liquid. And since we're talking about the same water source, it will have the same density. But rho times g, which is the gravitational acceleration, this is a constant, times h, which is the height, or oftentimes it's easier to think of it as the depth. So for example, in A, we're talking about the distance from the water level to the pipe, and we can call this HA. Likewise, if we find HB, the height of B, we see that it's quite a bit larger. So because we know that the height in B is much larger than that of A, then we know that the pressure in B is also larger than for A. And if the pressure is larger, well then it will be ejected from the tank pipe with more force, and therefore reach farther. And thus, the correct answer is B. Now, one other way we can think about this is by knowing Torricelli's theorem, which actually gives the speed of a water jet as being equal to V equals the speed of the water jet, the square root of 2 times G times H. So for the same reason, we have a greater height in B, therefore the speed is greater, and we would expect the jet to reach farther.